Hey everybody, this is Tipperoo Tom, and today I am at Iguana. What is it? Iguana. It's a reptile zoo that's about 10 miles east of Punta Gorda in Florida. Just kind of stumbled on it as I was driving down the road. Decided I'd stop in and take a look. And so we're going to take a walk around and see what we can see. Let's see. This might be some pretty tough on some of these because the cages are going to be a little bit with the glass. Once we get outside, we'll be able to probably see a little bit more. Oh, this is a big snake. Holy smokes. There he is. See if we can see him through that. It's a big old boa constrictor. Colombian boa. Oh, that thing's black. You can't see him very well. What is he? He's a Southeast Asian water monitor. He's pretty. I guess he's like an iguana that swims. There's a big iguana. What's amazing about these things is how fast they move. They just look lazy. Oh, look at him. He's just standing there staring at everybody. He's an Egyptian Euromastix. Let me see where. Oh wow, look at that. These things are nice cages and stuff. And we got some frogs and smaller beasts. Probably going to be hard to see them. Now, as you're watching the video, always remember with all our videos, they're all done in 360. So you have the ability to, if you're in full screen on YouTube, you can zoom in, zoom out, look all around, see anything that you want to see. You can pause at any spot and zoom in so you can see what you want to see. Just because I'm wandering around doing whatever I'm doing, you might find things that are more interesting to you. A lot of times in the videos as we've driven around and done things, we found stuff in the editing process that is actually really, really cool that we didn't see while we were actually doing the video itself. So it's kind of fun. So take your time, look around, see if you can see the fun stuff. You know, like these two little lizards that are hanging on the fence. I didn't even notice them. I was looking at the bottom of the cage. Oh, and there's one that's, oh, he's wild. He matches the wood. And you get another one that's up on top of that top log there. He's matching the wood. Yeah, these are cool. So take your time, dig around and learn. Look at these lizards. They all match the environment that they're in. That's a snake. California king snake. I would run from a snake. I don't like snakes. How you doing? Hey. Yeah. He's a funny looking thing. And what's in this one? Some kind of a snake, a rainbow boa. Well, if he's a rainbow boa, you would think you'd see the colors and be able to find him. I don't see him. It's pretty hot today. They're probably hiding. Oh, there he is underneath the leaves in the very bottom. If you zoom in, you'll probably be able to get a good look at him. It's kind of orange color down, hidden in the plant there at the bottom. And what do we got over here? A little more. Tiger rat snake. Snakes are hard to find. Tortoise in here somewhere. I don't see him. Oh, there. Oh, wait a minute. Doesn't look like a turtle. That looks like a big snake down there. Well, you have to zoom in on that one, but it looks like he's down there where that light is shining. Okay, we already went that way. Let's see what's down here. And so you have more small cages, lizards. Ooh, he's a funny looking one. Look at that guy. He's cool. Wait, it's hard to find these sizes. And you see, oh, there's a snake down there. He stinks. There's a big snake there. Also, one of the things you can do is we're walking around, they've got some really nice signs on some of the cages that give you better descriptions of the different animals that are in the cages, and you can pause and zoom in on the little signs and be able to read them so that you can learn stuff about these animals. And they're like this Jamaican boa. A California king snake, I don't see him. Got one up there. Ooh, look at that. What is he? It's a northern blue-tongued skink. That is a wild-looking thing. I would think if I actually saw him in the wild, I'd be running. I would be very afraid. And there he is. Some of these things are hard to find. He's just sitting there hanging onto that tree. Well, there's another one. What is that? The black tree monitor. He's staring us down.
Yeah. I mean, I was here for about 2 years for turtle.
Yeah, looks like we got to the end of the road. What is it? Stratus. Oh, there it is. Little snake up there on the tree. There. So we're going to head this way. I think we're outside the building. Now I guess everything else that's here is outside. Well, it's bright today and it's definitely hot. I believe it's about 95 degrees and probably have about 90% humidity. So I'll probably be crying by the time we get done walking around here. All right. So we got Lesser Antillean iguana. There's one up there. That's a different one. He's the one next door, but he's crawling around on his fence. Yeah, he's nodding at us. Yeah, we got one. I don't see this one. Like I said, on any of these where we can't see them in the video, it'll be a lot easier. He actually looks kind of friendly, or he wants to come eat us. Yeah, I can't see what's in this one either. Bet you when I get home and I'm looking at the video, it'll be real easy to find them. And so what we're going to do with this, for the sake of time, is I'm just going to go ahead and walk down the center here, and if there's anything that you want to look at, just go ahead and zoom in on it. So you can see it. Well, hell, this one's big enough. We're going to... Holy cow, look at that. He's probably all complete, about 8 feet long. What is he? I don't see a sign. Oh, there it is. Crocodile monitor. Oh, there you can get a good look at his face. Look at him. He needs something. That little guy's still going. say hello. All right. So let's see, what else are we seeing? Red-tailed iguana. Boy, these guys in the daytime, they're doing a good job of hiding. Let's see where Arnold is. What is he? Argus Monitor. He's got a really, really big cage. So I'm going to bet he's a pretty big guy. So you'd think we'd be able to see him somewhere. Oh, there he is, back in the back. I'm going to put you guys up high so you can see him. There he is. Okay, hope you saw him there. Oh, here's another one coming to say hi, sticking his nose out. We'll just put you up close and personal. There you go. How you doing, little buddy? And here another one climbing around. Yeah, see that one down on the ground. There you go. All right. Oh, here we got one moving. Where'd he go? There he is. Look at that guy. Uranus gigantus. Not as big as that first one, but he's pretty big. Wow, look at him. I don't think any of these are really dangerous to people. I think most of them eat plants and fruit and stuff. Looking at their bowls, it looks like they're all filled with. Give me a leg. Look at that. I bet that's wild. Sitting there looking right at the camera. He's trying to lick the camera. Isn't that cool? Alright. So then we got some turtles. Turtles are always hard to find during the day. That's the old Dexter. Two-striped Asian water monitor. There he is. He's easy to find. He's a pretty big boy. Alright. Now, I guess we go this way. Oh wow, they got some really cool stuff here. They worked hard on this place. This is actually pretty cool. So I think we'll just run down this aisle here and see if we can, what we can see. So prehensile-tailed stink. I don't see him.